In front of me is Doogee S70, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, then tap on More and click on Settings. Now pick voicemail right here and go to Notifications. And smoothly by picking sound, you can choose the sound that you would like to apply as your voicemail notification tone. So let me choose, for example, Proxima. Okay, so I've got D&D mode active. Now you should be able to hear the sound. Here it is, tap on OK, and that's it. From now on, this brand new ringtone is assigned to your voicemail notification. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.